Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning enter Google app, tap button in the right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant and go to voice match. Make sure that this function is enabled. And now go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be snow showers with a high of -1 and a low of -8.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.